The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tells me that you're the kind of girl that
Yeah, whatever. Don't let her trick y'all.
I'm being for real.
I know her, honey.
I could be wrong, but I'm feeling like something could be going wrong.
I want to be 60 years old. The judge was talking, ain't nobody gonna tell me what the fuck I can't do.
There ain't no one for me, only you. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. You don't make it time. I wanna be down.
Yeah, we are at the Make-A-Wish event, the final event,
Can I see my earrings?
40th anniversary. I mean, the 40th birthday.
Mama, I'm trying to show them.
Oh,
I got these from the Disney shop. Wait,
Are
can they
cute.
see them?
yeah, they see.
Yeah.
They Minnie Mouse. They make them cute. Now we gotta figure out how we get. Oh, I see some people with Make-A-Wish shirts on. So, make you wishy wish. Wish it on the store. It's at the EPCOT. Epi-Ep. Oh, I hope I ain't getting no foot. Well, the lady, remember she said the t-shirts in the bag. Well, we got a stroller if we cooked anyway, so.
Dang, we only seen them. We only seen them Mexican people about one time.
I know, they've been living life.
Honey, I haven't seen them out in the pool,
Eating
eating ice cream, none of that. Also, one time at the pool.
Kai's kind of upset because he was asleep. We had to wake him up. Poopy. Let me see if Poopy go back to sleep. Hi, Poopy. He act crazy when he first wake up. Hi, Poopy. Poopy. Yeah, he acts crazy when he first wakes up on you. Right. Oh. Whew.
Oh, inches.
Wait.
Inches this way.
Yeah. So it's like a special event for all the Michigan families, all parts of Michigan. Wait, is we good? Oh. Cookies? Yes, it do. Yes, it do. Oh, well.
Right to the right.
Woo, it's hot. Guy that's escorting us to Make-A-Wish party. Harmony.
Huh?
You done almost ran into him. That was just you.
Huh?
That was just you crying like that. why not? Oh, almost. Look at this, y'all. We're having dinner by the water. This is so nice. Oh, that was nice. Yeah, girl, that was a walk.
Yeah. He was taking his precious time.
Yeah.
That's why I kept trying to not walk with him, but then.
Oh, your hat coming off. Oh, wait. Is y'all on the right side?
What is he doing? That's soup, Harmony.
What kind of soup is it?
The one that we just had.
No, that's a beer cheese.
Oh, that's a beer cheese.
What does that mean? Oh, that's for the pretzels. Where's the plates at? Don't eat by the thing. Come on now. Quit doing that. Hi, are you eating something? What you want? Huh? That water is
Mom,
so...
do everybody leave on Sunday?
Not everybody. It depends on when they got here.
I don't care. Just bring the can.
Oh no, these too hard.
Plant-based.
Huh?
Look at that. Look, Nicholas. Look, honey. Do you guys want something to eat?
Give me a second. I'm going to get a pot to eat and a pot.
Where's Harmony?
Nicholas, do you want a Mickey Mouse? Want a Mickey Mouse ice cream? Yeah, you want a pop?
No. By the water?
Yeah.
Olivia, I want you to sit down and hang out with me and Mom, okay? I don't want you walking around.
Man, that water's so good.
What would you like?
You want ice cream?
No one has a spider on his nose.
No, it's cute.
Mama, hey, my turn.
Not yet.
Mama, I want to get a balloon animal.
Hi. What you getting? What you getting?
Harmony, you give me your face cream.
Okay, what's your compliment? Your face, you red, you warm, you want to sleep? Your face, okay. What do you want on your face? Spider-Man. Spider-Man? Okay. You want the red one, blue one? Red. So how was your day so far? What?
You probably gotta move that hat down. It's not gonna hurt, Kai.
The next day after.
That what?
Mommy. Mama, if they don't Because there's butterflies here.
Guys, stop.
I didn't mess with you when you was getting your basement.
Why you didn't take that tag off, Kai? Come here.
What?
On your ears. Naya didn't either. Turn around.
I thought they took the tag.
Turn around. In the back so they can see your
Oh, this tag? This tag?
yeah, that tag.
Okay, look at my name.
They didn't give you your pasta fee.
I don't care.
I know, right?
Oh,
Or the capital N.
So my name not even chocolate. This looks like a bee.
Girl, I don't look like no bee.
It looks like a bee.
No, that don't. That says Sanaya, you can tell.
Yeah, I don't know.
Good food.
Why don't you go to have?
Because I'm not a kid. I
They go
guess.
with my Minnie Mouse ears.
y'all get all the good stuff. $100 shopping spree.
I just had
At
a
the
card that had
gift.
$25.
Oh yeah, so you had a $125 gift card. That's nice,
But I
really
had
nice of
spent it
them.
on like these earrings and a bracelet.
Mom, I want chocolate and the butterfly.
I am.
Look like CJ, where are we gonna be? Want them up here? You're gonna go up there.
oh my goodness, how cool is that?
Gentlemen, want a full, or do you want the full?
Man, how do they do that?
Oh, it's good, thank you. Appreciate you, sir. I'll count that. Say it officially.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Good. Good job, you two.
That's who it is.
You?
No. It's a Disney character.
Oh, Tiana. It's like, I don't know. Who got on orange in the Disney?
It's supposed to be Moana.
You know I never seen that movie.
You
I
ain't-
forgot what she looked like. I never
You
seen
ain't
her.
never
They do
seen that?
Tiana.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, they could do Tiana. But he said he can do any Disney character. Anything you could think of. I told him to do. He said, when I first went up there, he was like, what would you like me to do? Ride waves.
Whatever.
I
Whatever, because you would
I
have said
swear-
right way, so whatever.
I promised, but then I was like, oh, you can really do ride waves? He was like, nah, I'm just joking.
Oh.
Because if he really could, I would have told him to do that. What's she getting, the mermaid?
Butterfly. Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
I looked it up. I
No.
told my wife, I said, I want one of these tables.
Look at him.
I filled it up, 22,000. She goes, no.
What happened to your face? Yours is coming off.
So beautiful.
How we doing?
Doing good.
Good, all right.
Thank you.
Man. I like it, little man.
I haven't had a chance to eat nothing because I had to be. Oh. The balloon. You got to get in line if you want one. You got to get in line if you want one.
We have three. We have it got cool out here. It got cool out here. For the first time in forever.
Oh, that's first. Oh. It'll copyright me.
Are you ready to go?
Lining up already to see them. We're going to start off the show with this little handkerchief trick, okay? Come on closer. Bring your chairs a little closer here, girls. You can have a seat right here. Put that chair right next to Kai. All right. Nice chair. Come here, young lady. You can have a seat right there. A nice little show going for everybody. Okay. So watch the handkerchief.
Okay.
I'm going to take the handkerchief. I'm going to push it in my fist like this. Watch. Disappears.
Oh.
And you know where it's at. Watch closely. Reach up Kai's sleeve. And lo and behold, there.
Hi.
Give Kai a big round of applause. There it is. Off to a good start for our show tonight. Okay. Now. Let's see what else I have in my bag.
Can you open that?
Open the box up. You know what this is? Oh yes, that's right. So we have a spool of thread, and I'm going to take the thread,
Oh, that smells good.
and I'm going to break off a piece. What's your name?
Sanaya.
Sanaya. It's Sanaya. So I'm going to take the thread, and I'm going to break off. That's all the thread right there. It's the little rope. You're going to take the thread and we're going to break it in many pieces. Like this. You can hear them break and you can see them break.
Yeah.
But it's just an illusion. A little closer.
What?
Watch this. Sanaya's going to put them back together, okay? You know how to do that. Sure. Watch the thread. Go like this. Just squeeze it right on here. This. And here, you notice the thread's going to stay right on there, right? It doesn't even blow off in the wind. Now, Sanaya, hold that by the very bottom. Yeah, watch this. Go!
Wow.
Check out Sanaya. Give Sanaya a big round of applause. Back to one piece.
Wow.
Okay, let's see what else we can do. I want you to help me with this one. Okay, I have a deck of cards.
Oh.
Deck of cards. This is a glass. Put it together. Okay, turn. I'm gonna turn. Show the card around. Cut the card. Okay, cut the glass. Cut the card. Good. Now. You say stop. Put your card back in the deck of cards. We'll mix them up. The glass they go. Everything in the card. Watch the cards. No strings attached, right? Concentrate on the card. You'll start to see something now. You see it? The card will rise.
Wow.
Cards. Here we have Sanaya's.
Is that it?
Yeah, that was it.
Was that it?
Yeah, that was it.
Where's the other glass? You said it was the Ace of Club.
No, it was
That's pretty good there.
Alright.
That's pretty good there.
Straight up. Okay, what else we can do? Let's try some other.
All right, time to.
I wanted to see the card. Carm said it was.
Why would I have to?
Magic wand.
There's 3 of them.
You can take them apart. Sanaya, check that cup. Make sure there's nothing inside that cup. Is it empty?
Yeah.
Alright. And you got 3 little balls there. Balls go there. So nothing's happened yet. Sanaya, I want you to put your hand on top of the cup. Press down on the cup. Keep it pressed down. That's it. Watch the ball. We're going to take the ball. It's going to go under this cup here. I'm going to move them around. Little tap. It's not here or here. Sanaya, lift your cup up. Sanaya, has the ball under her cup. Let's try this one. Watch this one. Toss it like this. Balls on top. This ball will pass it right through the cups. Like this right one.
This guy's
Two. Now the third one we'll do like this. Never play this game for money. Watch closely. 3. Tap over there.
Hey, how do you do that?
1, 2, 3. I'm going to cover each ball with the cup.
Okay.
I'm going to take away this ball. This one goes in my back pocket.
Okay.
And I'll start taking the balls away. And I'll give a little tap. And I snuck a ball in there when no one's looking. As a matter of fact, I stuck a ball under this one. You ready, Kai? I'll put it in my back pocket. Oh, there's a ball there. And how many balls are under here?
None.
None. How many would you say?
3.
3 cups. 3 balls, 3 cups. Oh my goodness. Now, the best part though, and you can watch this later on when you watch the video, is I want you to lift that cup up. Lift it up. Yep.
Lift it
See
up.
what's under the cup. And now, sir, we have 3 lines. How about that?
How did some lines get under there?
That was great.
Ryan? So I'm going to try this one out. All right. So we got that. And we're going to do some fun. And I have a dry erase marker. All right. Awesome. Now, I want you to help me out with this. This is the story of Peter Pan, right? And this is the story. Now, I'll make sure here's my book. And of course, all the pages, all the different chapters, all the pages are different. What I want you to do is I'm going to go like this. I want you to say stop and look at the top word. You got it? So let's take a practice one. Say stop.
Stop.
See the top word? What is it?
Enemy.
What is it? Enemy. You're right. So I want you to do that again. And then just say stop. But don't tell me what it is, okay?
Stop.
You see the top word?
Yeah.
Okay, so think of that word.
Luciano.
Okay, let's try this out. Okay. Right now, what I think it might be. Very good. And now I want you to help do the next part of our this is a dice.
I love dice.
And yes. Yeah, I want you to either roll the dice or put any number face up and then put your hand on top of it, okay? So that's what I want you to do. So let me stand up because I want to make sure I don't see it like that. Okay, so go ahead and put
You gonna roll it?
Roll it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Okay, let's try this out. Keep it covered. Try this out.
It better not be that or else I'll be freaky stuff.
All right, keep it covered. And then next, the last thing I want to get out here is in my wallet. And in my wallet, I have a little card. And what I'd like you to do, sir, is to write down the name of a person back home that you're maybe thinking about. It could be a family member. Just write it down and put it right on this card. Make sure I don't see it. You can hold it up like this, just like that. So go ahead and put the name of that person you're thinking of.
This is gonna be great.
Still, you got the number. Oh, nice. Let me know when you're done.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see it.
You know what I'm talking about? Trucks on pizza? Oh yeah, I'm from Michigan. We'll have to go back right after.
I can't see.
It's a big pizza. It's good. All right, put it face down back inside the wallet for me, sir, so I can't see what it is. Show it from there. That works. Okay, very good. Okay, so what we have here is let's see. Let's make this up from the
Oh yeah.
I'm actually seeing two words. If I'm not mistaken. Okay. Might have got it.
If
Okay,
he guesses,
let's start
that's
with
It's gonna be out of the
let's
world.
start with
Seriously.
the word. What was the word that you saw?
Onions up.
Light. Look what he got here. I got light. I got light. And then let's see. The number I have is 4. What number do you have? 4. Look at that.
What the?
And the last one really kind of freaked me out because I got like a Mr. Kim. Mr. Kim. Look at that. Give yourself a big round of applause.
Kill him.
Mr. Kim or Miss Kim? I don't know.
Yeah.
Kim, I gotta get
Oh my God.
Good. Let me finish off the show with somebody has. Come up
That's
here,
scary.
That's scary, man.
Assistant has a good variety, but don't feel like you got to get it done in 2 seconds.
Okay.
Thank you.
But yeah, let's walk together.
Are we shopping, spreeing it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have some Spider-Man love. We got some Mickey Mouse love. If they're missing in the morning, you should put them out.
You won't be able to see that on
Are your feet holding up? It's been a lot of walking these days, I bet.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It feels good though. This feels so nice, a little less hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just when I see people wait for the boats on the bridge. Oh, I didn't know. I learn something every day.
It looks so beautiful. Nice. It looks so nice.
Everybody gets tired.
Stick with me. We're gonna turn left. We're gonna go left. Hey girls, we're gonna go over this way.
Hi, come on.
I love your light up necklace.
Oh, the track. I'm sure
You guys head home tomorrow?
Sunday.
No, Sunday.
Yeah,
You told me
Sunday.
that. I apologize. That's okay. Heading home on Sunday. Where are we going tomorrow?
Universal.
Oh, that's a fun one. Are you guys movie buffs? Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. You make a plan? Fingers crossed.
It's been hot.
It has been hot. Did not know all the places I could sweat. I have learned this week. Creative. Did you know that your elbow can sweat?
Yeah, it's been hot.
But you know, I've just used clean cleansing. right, and again, you don't have to do it here if you don't. If this
No, let's go find another store.
No, yeah, go to the fire one.
Fine.
Loot up. Think about your people at home. Souvenirs. Things.
Oh, them backpacks is cute.
I'm gonna get little Carter some crowds.
Buy something.
Y'all got $1. Y'all all got $1.
$1?
Sorry.
That's about 100.
Oh my God.
Why didn't they get the scissors and cut it off?
What you getting, Kai? We gotta help Kai because Kai ain't gonna know. Kai, you want mommy to help you? Huh? Okay. What you like?
Is this for girls?
Yeah, because I see pink on there. I think so.
Get this
Don't get to standing. We still gotta do the fireworks, remember? Oh, it's cold. $60 for some. Oh, they Mickey Mouse. That is cute.
Can I get
Some
some?
backpack about $78.
Yeah, probably. Yeah,
How much is it?
78.
I'll take it. Sure. I like it.
Oh, get it. That's what you want.
And the tags.
Oh, this is cute too. You don't like this? That's cute. I don't know. It's like a backpack or something.
It's too big.
What size is that? Let me see what size.
It's a 10.
Oh, this your size too. Extra small.
That's still gonna be big.
No, it's extra small. Well, yeah, you're right, because that's extra small and it's too big.
You got your this red with purple thing. Somebody dropped her. You still got hers on here. Somebody dropped the purple list.
Oh, I'm about to give me a t-shirt. Don't get this one.
Yeah, I don't want to get. I want this.
I like this.
How much is it?
It's I don't know, but let me see.
34.
Oh, 34. I know he was gonna grab them hats.
25. You buy 2.
So one is like $10.
Kai, get over here. Get over here with that.
Get this one.
25.
How much is that?
2. So 2 of them gonna get you
$69.
Ask your dad how much it is.
29 each. So
It's
better buy 2.
$31.
Oh, that goes.
That's the deal. They want you to buy 2.
I don't go with.
25.
Actually, I
Or
do.
you gonna spend 29?
Get what you want.
Huh?
You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying?
I got a bit specifically do
No, it's 25. It's t-shirts.
25 each when you buy 2. Right? Oh, okay. No.
Oh, you found some better hats? Oh, which one you like? They got a big variety. They go that one, that one, that one.
What a Blue Dog one?
Who?
Blue Dog.
Pluto? They don't got Pluto in here.
Oh, they got purses?
Yeah, he wanted the Pluto.
I'm getting it.
That's cute. That's real cute.
With the dunks.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the dogs.
Kai, what was you getting?
Man, let's have a different story, Jenna. I'm not feeling this.
It's Sunday.
What I tell you? This
I
about
still got a
him.
little bit more left.
Well, he find what he want, then you can go to a different store.
Sunday hat. I want a Sunday hat.
A Sunday hat.
Yeah.
That's
What is a Sunday?
That's Donald Duck hat, Kai.
Donald ain't on this one.
Donald ain't on
Donnie
that.
Don on there.
This one I'm getting.
That's cute.
Yeah, everybody said I should get it.
Let me see it. That's cute. I like the ears on it.
I was gonna get that one, but like we could have matched because we gonna get.
Yeah, that's fine. You get what you want. Here, Kai. You wanted this one?
Huh?
It don't come off. Here.
Want that hat?
He want that hat, yeah.
Oh, Maya,
And that sweater, I guess.
60.
did you see that one up there?
Yeah, Walt Disney.
Uh-huh. Where?
Princess House.
How much?
Oh, that one cute too.
That's 78.
And then what do you want, Kai? How much is yours, Naya? 70 something? Y'all need to figure out what's next. I mean, like how much it all gets come together. What else you want, Kai?
You get stuffy? We got anything about stuffies?
This time. Oh, I think that's a girl's Kai.
It's a girl ring. It's a girl ring, kind.
They got some for 90.
Boy rings.
Oh, he said where the boy rings. I don't know. They might not have them. Kai.
Yeah, it's your first time I get back.
Kyrie. I hope you ain't drop your Mickey Mouse ears. Oh, your dad got them.
Mom, how much do you think this costs? It's like a birthstone necklace.
I don't know. I have.
You think see my backpack?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's cute.
I'm
Birthstone. Let me ask him. I don't
It's a birthstone. Like yours is.
Find anything?
Yours is pink.
I don't know. You can ask her.
You can do it anywhere.
You tell me the price.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm pretty sure it's $24.48.
Okay.
Yeah,
$24.48.
There you go.
Will I still be able to get it if I get this?
Do you want me to check?
Yeah.
How much is that? How much is the backpack? 78?
70 something, I think.
And how much
So that one in the backpack is gonna be $128.85.
How much is that backpack?
is 28.
It's 70.
One.
I won't get it. I won't get it.
You want this? How much is this?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
That backpack for the charge job. That need to be in a sleeper or regular.
Yeah, we're like a little, probably like.
Is this too?
What are you doing? Kai, put it back. Put it back.
You said it's only for me.
He like Pluto and Goofy.
Oh, he do want. Okay, come here. Come here. He said he wants Pluto and Goofy. So we're going to have to come up out our pockets. Oh, you start smiling, laughing there, didn't you?
Yeah. Plenty of them down.
He don't got Pluto. He do not have Pluto, so that's not funny. Which one you want, Pluto or Goofy? Is this your son? No. You want Pluto or Goofy? Because you can't get both, buddy.
Get Pluto.
Which one you like better?
Both of them.
Which one? Okay, I buy one and you buy one.
You want this one?
You got $22.
You want this one? Want this crazy one? Want this crazy one?
You said together. That's not gonna be enough. Oh, what he still got money left, huh?
Goofy.
Y'all need to learn how to shop like Kai. Because Kai came up to $91. All that stuff. He got 3 different things.
Got $8.59.
All right, I'm about to buy him that. Where's my card?
Heffway just
Come
stunned
here,
it on
Kai. Yeah, he did. Kai,
you. He just stunned it on you.
give it here. You can afford that. You can get this one too.
Thank you.
Wait.
That's your mommy. You got the card? Oh, no, okay.
Oh, I want. How much is that purse?
Give me 1 second. Go ahead now. Would you like a bag for this one? No? Yes? Maybe? Yeah?
so you won't be getting
Okay, where's my card? Now I gotta use $10.
hold on, Benny, we're gonna carry him now.
Robert. Robert.
What you want to get?
I
just got the same thing you got.
Can you go get him?
10.22 remaining on the transaction.
Can you go get your dad? Man.
Apparently
No, you're gonna get it. I'm gonna pay for the rest of it. Ridiculous.
What's up?
Where's my card? I'm gonna keep it.
Okay.
Hopefully I don't lose it, but you keep on disappearing.
I'm gonna adjust the straps.
You need to spend your $11.
All right.
There you go.
Thank you.
No, thank you, y'all. Let me get your receipt.
Well, it's gonna be taxed.
Ian, you got your
Okay, just get it, but don't go overboard.
meeting.
Can you fit that small thing? You know.
This dude's what you ain't little no more, man.
It's crazy. I ain't bought my poor self nothing.
Mom, you can.
But,
You ain't little no more.
girl, no, I'm just playing.
Y'all, this is so cute.
Oh, sorry.
My teacher gonna be like, shut up.
EPCOT.
I don't care. I mean, I care about that floor. They're not wrong. Pretty sure y'all ain't say that, but she gonna be like, shit,
EPCOT.
Lanny, I was Ann Arbor born and raised.
Oh,
Very familiar.
we very familiar with Ann Arbor.
Are we go blue? I go to Eastern Michigan, yeah? Go blue. Are we go blue, go green?
Yeah, we definitely go blue.
Don't touch that. Don't touch it.
I'm both, you know? My mom went to Michigan State. My brother goes to Michigan State.
Kyrie.
My family was
Leave it on.
people. So it's like,
Good, thank you, though.
you want to be a little looser? Today we're going to use a gift card. Go ahead and swipe for me, please.
Girl.
He told me to swipe it because he was scared.
Oh, why? Scared of what?
I don't know what he's scared of. He said swipe my card.
What?
That's going with them dunks right there.
Don't this look right?
That's going with them
It
dunks.
does not go down with the
Do this look right?
That means you have to
Hit it on the nose. She learning how to coordinate.
Hi.
17.
Let's hit a different story. I got $41 left.
Can you tell him to come on, please? Why do you keep doing that? You forgot about her?
Nuh-uh. Kai running out.
It's 31.
Okay, so what did you spend? Because I said 25.
This was the cheapest shirt.
Oh, well, go get the 25 one. There's one over there.
What's the
Yeah.
25 one? You gotta get two for 20. Give me one. Oh, well, I'll pass on that one.
Oh,
Yeah, no problem.
oh yeah, we got. Because Kai is. Hurry up, because y'all got bags and I don't
Y'all
want.
didn't tell me this was
That say 25. That's the one I thought you got.
this is extra small.
Let's go. Come on.
I don't use it.
Lord, it's too much going on. He's steady at a mirror. Though I don't know where Kyrie at.
I thought you what happened.
Where's he at?
They got it.
They don't need to get on. Did you get the shirt? Yeah. Come on.
Do you want that necklace? Do you want that necklace? Yeah, it's a necklace.
You know it's the other cashier over there.
Oh, and it's a long line over there.
Buddy, I don't see any kids.
Mom, even your way is a bit. Let me see. Oh yeah. Put your glasses on, guy. Whoa, that is cool. And look. Mickey Mouses are flying.
Benvenuti. Willkommen. Karibu. Panie. Bienvenidos.
Is part of the great symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Come, find your place in the great symphony of us.
The symphony of us. To have all of us here.
Epcot is the best.
That was beautiful.
That was really cute.
Kai, did you have fun? Was that nice?
Huh?
Was that nice?
Spider-Man coming off.
Where is your Mickey ears at? Naya, where's your Mickey ears? I said put them in that bag so you don't leave them.
Two hats.
Kai, where's your Mickey Mouse hat? Where's your Mickey Mouse ears?
Where mine at?
On your head. No, that's yours right there. Where's your blue bag at? Your blue bag.